Changing your password on Vrbo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password quickly and securely. Step 1. Visit the Vrbo website. Go to the official Vrbo website using your web browser. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure your security. Step 2. Log into your account. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your current email address and password to access your account. Step 3. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the page. Step 4. Select Password Change option. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Change Password or Security Settings. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Enter new password. Follow the prompts to enter your current password, then your new password. Make sure your new password meets any specified requirements and confirm it before saving the changes. After completing these steps, your password will be updated. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider using a password manager for added safety.